In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify header, logo, menu, and announcement bar. We'll start by getting into the right place in your store. From your Shopify admin, head to Online Store, then open Themes. Find the theme you're currently using and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, which lets you see changes in real time on the preview to the right while you work from the Settings panel on the left. Make sure the theme you're editing is the one that's live, so your updates appear where you expect. Next, open the header section in the left side panel. This is where you'll control the overall look of the top area of your site. You can adjust the logo position to align left or center, and tweak the logo width so it looks crisp without overpowering the navigation. If your theme includes an announcement bar, you'll also see options here to show or hide it and control basic behavior. Keep your layout clean and consistent with your brand style. As a general tip, a centered logo can feel modern and balanced, while a left-aligned logo often leaves more room for menus on stores with many links. If you need to change the actual logo file, click the gear icon labeled Theme Settings at the top left of the editor. Navigate to the Logo section. Choose Select Image to upload a new file from your device, or pick one you've already added to your library. Use a high-quality image, ideally a transparent PNG for most brands, and size it so it looks sharp without needing heavy scaling. After you've adjusted the file and the width, click Save at the top right to lock in your customizations. Now, refine your navigation. Back in the header settings, select the menu you want to show. You can add, remove, or rearrange menu items to match how shoppers browse your store. Keep labels short and clear, and prioritize your most important pages. If your theme supports nested items, group related links for a tidy, intuitive structure. If your theme includes an announcement bar, this is also the place to update its text and link. Use it for timely messages like shipping updates, special offers, or store hours. Keep it concise and make the link point directly to the relevant page for a smooth customer experience. When everything looks good, hit Save again. Preview on both desktop and mobile inside the editor to confirm the header, logo, menu, and announcement bar all display correctly. That's it. Your storefront header is polished, on brand, and ready for customers.